Welcome back to our channel. My name is Malcolm. I am one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, we'll be discussing with you how to back up a site on WordPress. So this is really important because of rollbacks that may happen when you're upgrading a certain plugin on your website, such as Elementor and so on. So this is definitely something that you really want to do maybe once a month if you make constant changes to your website. All right, let's get straight to it. So as you can see, I have navigated to my WordPress dashboard. And what we want to do is we actually want to focus on the left, navigate to the left and find plugins. So once you found that, you want to click on plugins. As you can see, we're using a slightly fresh site. So I want to have all the special works that if you have a running website. Awesome. So the thing that you wanna type in here is I use two specific plugins that I really enjoy. One is called Updraft. Up some so this one, it is as simple as a plug and play. You know, if you this specific logo, so there's a free version as well. So yeah, this one you just plug it in and then you'll be able to practically have a good backup of your website. Awesome. Another one is called, if you just type in backups, it's called Jets. So mixed those Jetpack, pardon me. So Jetpack is also a great, awesome tool to back up your website on WordPress. Of course, there are millions of um, tools that you can use, but these are the ones that I would recommend that has worked really great for us. We have a separate video on how to install this and get started. This was just a recommendation. As you know, we have videos on a daily. We give off SEO tips to you every single day. So definitely leave a like, comment, subscribe down the description. Write to us. What would you like to know more about SEO? We'll be more than happy to answer any of those questions. Stalk us at prolemon.com. Until the next video.